Gdje ste bre ljudi? Evo nas u Alexa Games i danas kao što vidite krećemo novi serijal FIFA World. Da, pa ajde da krenemo. Ovdje ćemo Njemačku, Bundesligu i uzet ćemo Bayern. Idemo next. Mislim da se zovemo YouTube, evo tako. YouTube, tako će bude skraćenica staviti. Tu, evo, ja sam Bayern, a on je Borussia Dortmund, idemo na Allianz Arena.
Hi everybody, Martin Tyler here along with Alan Smith, welcoming you to this big game today. Well, we've got Dortmund here against Bayern Munich, of course, memories of Wembley, very, very close. Bayern finally got their hands on the trophy ahead of Dortmund, but it was a great advert for European football, German football in particular.
Yeah, fantastic occasion that, but Bayern obviously can spend more, can pay more to their players, so it's always difficult to keep tabs with the German giants.
The opposition back off, they could be in trouble, and the ball gets to here. Shots on here. Well, the keeper got a touch to it to make the save. It's won by Rafinha, getting the ball away. You can tell. It's in! Terrific contact, wonderful goal.
On the header just made it impossible for the keeper. Well, he has been known to miss in these kind of situations, but not often. So reliable in the air.
The score is 1-0. He's in here. Could it be? Well, it certainly looks as though his first goal has given him the confidence to snatch another. And it's 2-0 here. Here comes the support. Philip Lahm.
Rafinha konačno loptu okreće, šutira na noću, ovo i bacuje, to je šutira. I kakav gol, aj je pa to je taj gol, to je taj gol, to je taj šut, on kad šutne, pa nema gola nikad u branu, to tako. Tira u uglavima, onda on je bomba, kao ovaj Lewandowski. Evo šansa za Kagavu. Tu je David Alaba na skreće akciju, naravno.
Xabi Alonso, he'll want to get the ball early, he's got it now. Bayern Munich goes for goal!
Jao! Pa offside bio, ja sam i da nije bio offside, ja bi promašio taj gol. A ja pametnjako tu nešto lepo da šutnem, ja ga lobom. Ja na kreativ način, ali ne, jo! I kakav offside. Ne znam da ga ne već. Da ne labi. Dam ti kao labi. A laba kad ne. Dam ti kao labi. Da ga naći ja. Da naći ga labi. Da je Roberno.
It is difficult as Pep Guardiola
Roberno
found
je
out,
finte.
and he obviously changed their style of football
Roberno
slightly.
šutira, ali je loše. Mnogo loše.
Such a powerful shot, but he made sure that the net wasn't required behind him.
Mnogo loše šuti. I to je naravno Markalan. Kontra Lewandowski. Rafinha.
Philip Lahm.
Rafinha. Rafinha caramba.
He's got to score. Here's the shot.
Tutaj!
Defender.
Ne znam. Ne znam što
Looking at his
se
cheeks there, he was
zezao.
worried.
Ali nema veze, ipak mi vodimo. Trči Ante.
He's got space. He takes the shot. Not too many
O,
excuses
ovo je
for
bilo
that.
dobro, ali
because
nije
a
to
good
kao
effort
bilo
until
precizno.
it came to the final shot. Then,
Da ne oni dali gol.
hate to use the word, but that was hopeless. So we've reached the break.
I ajde, evo sad ćemo da se vratimo.
I mean, they started
I
strong
evo
and fell
nas
away,
u
didn't they?
drugo
I mean, it's been so
poluvreme.
poor from them, but got to applaud the winning team. Everything they've done's come off.
Xabi Alonso. There's room for the player here. He tried to chip the keeper.
I to je taj Lewandowski.
Margin now between these two teams.
Lewandowski.
Price out of the contest.
Da je gol Lewandowski!
He can go on like this with his
Da.
100% record.
Lewandowski.
What a day he's having. Everything he shoots at ends up in the back of the net.
Sad mora da ide napravi, kao uzme Xabi Alonso, Xabi Alonso kao Lewandowski.
Well, the attacker is now
Lewandowski kao Robenu, ali ne precizno toliko lopta.
one back very quickly.
Ali to je možda Lam da ga spreči, ali to će Alonso da spreči, umjesto Lama, da. Umjesto tog Lama.
Bayern Munich. Shots on here. Made the save, but the ball's
Shaqiri.
still there. Close. Here's the shot. Good way to score.
Lewandowski! Šta ima tu da se priča, to je taj Lewandowski. I ajde vraćamo se opet, samo malo da ustopiram.
This has won the game
I
by
evo
increasing
nas
their lead
opet.
now.
They don't need to switch off, but
Drugo poluvreme, 5:0 za nas.
they've shown.
Now they've
Ja,
made it
foul.
5-0. This will be the decision for the match official today.
Lewandowski, nemoj da pravi faul, ali znaš.
Marco Reus. He's
Uj,
worked out where the
kakva lopta
space is.
i...
Ball back with Bayern Munich.
Ajde, tak. Ajde mi upao vataj, vaćaj tu loptu bre.
Chance for it.
Šta pada si pijan bre.
Here's the shot. And he's way there to take the ball from the feet of the attacker.
Yeah, I think the attacker just showed a little bit too much of the ball to the keeper, gave him encouragement.
Evo ga
Wants to go
Bernat.
left. He's looking left, and that's where the help is arriving.
Brzi Bernat. Bernat. Lewandowski. Lewandowski. I vraćamo se opet. I kao što vidite, evo nas. 6:0.
This is looking pretty humiliating. 6-0. Sven Bender. To reach for it, slid into the tackle.
Tak. Ajde, Robeno, brzi. Možda.
Good challenge here. He's being challenged now. Rafinha. Robert Lewandowski. Great opportunity. And the shot's off. What a goal!
Tako Lewandowski. A to je taj.
As soon as the
To
opposition
je
lost the ball,
taj.
they recognised
Lewandowski.
the potential for a counter-attack.
Yeah, I mean, it's one thing having pace on the counter, but you've got to pick your passes, and they did it beautifully there.
In a goal. Gets his foot in there.
Preko lopta, preko.
The play, but it leads to this shot. Oh, volley.
To je taj Robben.
It's his second goal of the game. They just can't contain it.
And they look pleased with themselves, and no wonder the way they stroked the ball about and created the finish. Picked up the
9:0
spare
za
man in
nas.
the box.
8:0 za
Well,
nas.
this has turned into an absolute rout. That's a great interception.
A šta se drugo žele?
Well, he's got support here. Now it's 5 minutes to go. Brilliant opening. Takes the shot off. It's a
I
goal.
Tevez. I evo nas sad potraživati zbog malog prekida, ali to nema nikakve veze. I to je 9-0 za nas. Da, dobro ste čuli, 9-0.
Well, it's not coincidence. How many goals has he scored during his career from these kind of angles and distances?
Philip Lahm, a man who takes great pride in it. Oh, he could be in. And the shot's a wonderful finish.
Idemo. To brazilskog.
Credit to them for keeping going. They've widened the margin here and
I
enjoying
10 gol za
themselves.
nas, neće imati dovoljno jedan gol. Neće naravno do 5-0 bi neko stigli, od 3-0 ne bi
It's a
stigli.
great performance, that goal. No way back. There hasn't been
In.
quite some time for the losing team.
Ej, Lewandowski.
There it is, the final whistle.
To je taj Lewandowski.
The other team
Kako
have been put
igra
out of their
taj
misery here
čovjek, ali
because they
dobro.
were very much off the pace today in a one-sided contest.
No, it's totally humiliating, wasn't it? I'm sure they're willing for the ref to blow the final whistle.
I, ajde otvore mi ovaj neki pekić i to je to. Ne čekam ništa dobro. Sad neće mi tu uleti Falcao. Ali naravno da neće. Nijedan dobro igrač. Ajde ovo možda ću umekiti. I to je to. I to je to što se tiče ovog klipa. Ako vam se svidio ovaj klip, bacite like, subscribe and share i obavezno postavite mi neko pitanje u deskripciji ili na Facebook profilu, ali u poruci, ne nigdje drugdje, nego u poruci. I ja ću sad odigram ovu jednu utakmicu, ali neću sa vama, pošto da bi mogli da napravimo naš tim, pa da igramo s tim. I to je to. Hvala na ovaj klipu i to je to. Vidimo se skoro uvijek.